Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the haircare world, the PHILIP B Rejuvenating Oil, a 16-ounce conditioning oil treatment designed for long-term hair repair, bounce, strength, and shine. This oil promises to transform dry, frazzled hair without the heavy buildup you often get from traditional oils. Let's see if it lives up to that. So what exactly is PHILIP B Rejuvenating Oil? It's a lightweight blend of essential oils formulated to penetrate deeply into the hair shaft rather than just sitting on the surface. Unlike heavier oils that can weigh your hair down, this one aims to plump your hair strands from the inside out. It also claims to detox your scalp by dissolving excess oils and product buildup, which can be a game changer for volume and scalp health. The instructions suggest applying liberally to dry, unwashed hair, starting a couple of inches away from the roots, and warming it with a blow dryer to help the botanicals sink in faster. In terms of usage, I incorporated this oil into my routine about 3 times a week over the past month. The first thing I noticed was how light it felt. Definitely not greasy or sticky like some oils I've tried. Applying it was straightforward. Warming it in with a blow dryer really helps the product absorb, which makes a noticeable difference. My hair felt softer and more manageable after each use. On days I skipped shampoo, the oil still didn't leave my hair looking weighed down or oily, which is impressive. What really stood out was the subtle bounce and shine my hair gained over time. It's not an instant miracle fix, but with consistent use, the hair does look healthier and less prone to breakage. The scalp detox aspect is another plus. I felt less buildup, and my scalp seemed fresher, which likely contributed to that lift at the roots. Of course, no product is perfect. While the oil works well for me, the scent is quite herbal and may not suit everyone's preferences. Also, if you're used to thicker, heavier oils, this one's subtle effect might feel a bit underwhelming initially. And because it's a luxury haircare product, the price point is on the higher side, so it's something to consider based on your budget. Speaking of which, in terms of value, PHILIP B's oil offers a high-quality blend of natural botanicals that justify the price for those serious about hair health. The 16-ounce bottle is generous, and a little goes a long way, so it lasts a good while. Compared to other high-end hair oils, it sits comfortably in the premium range but competes well with products like Oribe's Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil, which is more expensive and heavier. The packaging itself is sturdy and elegant, matching the brand's Hollywood luxe reputation. I haven't tested it for long-term shelf life, but oils like this typically last well if stored properly. I haven't needed to contact customer support, but PHILIP B's brand is known for excellent service and responsive care. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, lightweight oils from brands like Verb or Ouai offer some similar benefits, though perhaps not the same scalp detox effect or the deep penetration this one claims. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap it up, PHILIP B Rejuvenating Oil is an excellent choice for anyone struggling with dry or damaged hair who wants a lightweight, restorative treatment without greasy residue. It's particularly suited for those who appreciate botanical ingredients and a scalp detox benefit. However, if you prefer a more fragranced or thicker oil, or if you're on a tight budget, you might want to explore alternatives. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic today. If you've tried this rejuvenating oil, drop a comment below and share your experience. I love hearing your thoughts. The link to purchase is in the description and comments box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.